Nice.
Who got more presents than us?
No.
Nice. Boy, Marlo, you're quite fast. Or did I not use enough tape?
Santa Claus gave us more presents.
Wow.
Mom!
Wow, Marlo, you're going to be full of clothes.
Mom, I just have these clothes.
What do you mean you just have these cars? Like only these 20?
Yes, more than 20, man.
I got this one. I just lost this one.
Wow. What's in there, I wonder?
He can keep this well.
Turn it around, honey. What is it? No, turn it around. Look at it. Look at it. Jacob, before you open it, because I think we don't need to open that one today. Turn it over. Turn it over.
Upside down.
Yeah, it's an airport set.
Cool.
Jake, do you like it?
Yeah, I like it. We can
No,
keep it.
leave Bruno in there, please. He's gonna go wild in here. You like it, Jake?
Yeah, Mom.
All right.
Can I open it?
No. You know why, honey? Because there's such a mess right now, and let's wait till a little later and open it on the table, okay? Because we've got too much stuff loose.
Mom, hear this.
Ooh, she's got that cool earpiece too. See, there's one we lost.
Mom,
Jake, go get another present. What else?
Mom, hear this. Hear this. What we lost. Oh, yeah! It's a mochila, Jake.
Who is it, Jake?
Bob Ellis.
It's Bob the Builder. Who is he in Spanish?
Doctor.
El Constructor. Tasha, help him put it on his back.
Look up. What?
He's your little buddy, Jake. Yeah.
No.
Okay, careful. She just wants to help you. Wow! Look, turn around. Hey, Bob. There.
Here, you can get it in.
There.
You can get your finger here. Get your
Do you like
finger.
it, Jake? He's gonna be fine in a second. What does he have? No.
Jacob.
Bruno. Sit down, guys.
Open it. Can I help you open it, Jake?
Wow, you're such a good sister. But I think that he should just open them himself. This doggy's trying to tickle me. What's that?
Open it up. Bob. SpongeBob. Squirrel.
Show me.
Marlo, come.
Wow.
SpongeBob.
A t-shirt. Are there any shorts with that?
Yeah, look. It's
Bob Esponja. See, it says Bob Esponja on it.
yeah.
Where are the shorts?
Ah.
Funny.
Ah.
It's not.
Arrow close.
Wow.
Jacob.
Open them up and see them, honey.
Jacob.
Other clothes, schmother clothes. There's Marlo's fashion show.
Marlo's Shakira.
Honey, you know what? They're a little tight. I'm sorry.
They're fine.
Arrow close. SpongeBob again.
Wow.
Arrow sponge. Arrow sponge.
Jake, you're gonna have so much clothing. Bob Esponja.
Arrow SpongeBob. Two SpongeBob.
Wow. Sure she can. Is that it, everything? Guys, did we open everything?
Yep.
No, I didn't open mine.
Okay, but before, wait a
Can
second,
I
before
open
you,
this?
yeah, guys, you know what?
Can
I think
open-
that,
Jacob, throw it.
I hear chickens.
My 6th Christmas.
Is it your 6th Christmas?
Yep. Because I'm sick.
That's true.
And Jacob's 3rd Christmas. Mom, am I?
Oh no, no. Oh!
I'm sharing with Jake, Mom.
Sharon, what, honey?
The juice.
No, go ahead. So how was your 6th Christmas?
Good. Hello, it's late and that. And Jacob has a green one.
Mm,
The green one was in mine.
Right, Jacob.
that's true. Is it not working anymore because it's wet?
No, it is just. Oh, my leg hurts, man.
What did you do to yourself, Viejita? Nice sneer.
Mom, I'm gonna.
Jacob, spread your arms apart, Jake. There, good. There's Jacob canoeing or kayaking all by himself. There's Tasha. There, these two are doing a great job. This kid is only 4 years old, and here he is kayaking for the first time on Christmas. Good boy, turn all the way around. Paddle only on one side. On one. Marlo, swim over to him. Jacob, paddle only on one side. Good boy. Good boy, you turned all the way around. Okay, honey, spread your arms out.